When rainwater passes over our roofs or our streets and our other impermeable surfaces, it collects a lot of pollutants like chemicals or oils, and that then gets washed into our urban drainage system. All of that urban drainage goes to the same combined system, which includes grey water and rainwater and also sewerage. And the issue is that when we have an intense downpour, the system can't really take it because it's quite outdated at this stage. So a lot of that water doesn't reach the treatment facility. So the first thing is they reduce pollution by taking rainwater into these purpose-built planters, which also act as a bioretention, which means that the plants filter out a lot of the pollutants within it. And then the second thing is it takes pressure off our wastewater system, so less of that water is reaching or basically getting pumped back into our city streets and our local environment. It also provides pollinator-friendly varieties of plants, so we're creating little pockets of biodiversity and little ecosystems in usually grey, sterile areas.
One of the challenges with working with rain gardens and reporting the benefits is that there's been very little monitoring of these systems to date in terms of the benefits and the impact on the drainage network. What we're looking at doing is trying to quantify some of those benefits by integrating sensors into the planter, so it gives us a rich context to understanding what those flow measurements mean for the drainage network and for understanding whether one planter, 5 planters, 100 planters are needed.
So that's what we're studying now, is basically to argue the point for these planters so that going forward more communities, more individuals, more people will take it on, because of course the bigger this gets and the more people that take it on themselves, the more of a benefit it will have and the more water will be diverted.
It really encourages wildlife. All the bees, hoverflies, everything's coming. I can, even this morning I saw lots of action with lots of insects there. So it's great to see, and I feel like I'm doing my bit